Hey guys, in the first video I tried loading 9x18 Makarov with AUTOCOMP. The results didn't go so well.
Huh?
It was just way too low of a powder charge.
Well, they all cycled, but they're all weak.
But that's okay because this time I'm going to continue my work upload.
First up, we got 5.5 grains. $11.82, so it's all over the place. We got 5.8. $11.82. Okay, now we're getting to the point. Things are more consistent. All right, we're at 6.1. I think this is where we're gonna have to kind of watch pressures. $12.62. So that's a little bit less consistent. All right, we're on 6.4 grains. AUTOCOMP. Let's go. And 13.05.
Well, the primers looked fine to me, and maybe I could even go hotter, but I'm not sure if it's worth it. I kind of achieved my goal of getting over 300 foot-pounds of energy, and I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.